Students, today we are learning the definition of the subset. If A and B are two given sets and every element of set B is also an element of set A, then B is subset of A. Now we learn the word subset. Sub means less or lesser or smaller. That means we are finding here the smaller set or lesser set of A. That means B is a smaller set of A. B is subset of A. B is subset of A. This symbolically written as in this way, B is subset of A. It is the subset sign. Write C and underline by a small segment. Meaning of this is B subset of A. We can read it as B subset of A. Now we learn this by an example. Example number 1. A is a set in which the elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And B is another set whose elements are 2, 3, 5. Every element of set B is also an element of set A. That means the elements which are present in B all are present in A. Element 2 is present in A. Element 3 is present in A. Element 5 is present in A. That means all the elements of set B are present in A. That's why we write here B is subset of A. Always write down the smaller set first of all and the bigger set at last, and write down in between these two the subset sign. That means B is subset of A. Now we represent this subset relation by Venn diagram. Now I am showing you the Venn diagram here. This bigger circle represent the set A and the smaller circle represent the set B. In set B, 2, 3, 5, these elements I have written here. And in set A, I have written the elements 1, 4 and 6. But in the area of this circle, bigger circle A, all the elements are present 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And in the smaller circle, I have written only the elements of B. That means B can be placed in bigger set A. Same like this. Suppose a small tin and a bigger tin is here. Now I am giving you the name B to the smaller tin and A to the bigger tin. Yes, this smaller tin can be easily placed in the bigger tin. Same like this, a smaller set can be placed in a bigger set. Now we learn the subset relation by second example. A is the set of all elements X such that X is square root of 4. And second set B is given here, in which B is the set of all element X such that X is an element of integer set and minus 4 is less than X and X is less than 4. These sets are given in the rule method. First of all, we have to write down them in the listing form. That means in the listing method. A is equal to, in curly bracket, minus 2 comma 2, because any positive number has two roots. One is negative, another is positive. Minus 2 and plus 2 are the roots of 4. Now B is the set, in curly bracket, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. All the elements are in between minus 4 and plus 4. Now all the elements of A are present in B. Minus 2 is present in B. Plus 2 is present in set B. That means A is subset of B. A is a smaller set which can easily placed in set B. That means A is subset of B. A is smaller, B is bigger set. Now I am representing this by Venn diagram in this way. Elements of A I have written here and elements of B I have written here. A can be placed in B, that means A is subset of B. Now we learn by example third. D is the set of students of 9th A who can play Kho-Kho. That means it is a Kho-Kho team from 9th A. E is the set of students of class 9th A. And P is the set of students of Sri Mahatma Bashveshwar Vidyalaya Umarga. That means SMBVO. Now, it is not necessary to write down all the elements of these sets. Just by imagination, we can write the subset relation who will be the subset of whom. Now, D is the set of students of 9th A who can play Kho-Kho. It is a small team, it is a small set from 9th A. That's why D is a subset of E. And this team is from Sri Mahatma Bashveshwar Vidyalaya. That's why D is a subset of P also. Now, another relation is also here. E is the set of students of class 9th A. These are the students from Mahatma Bashveshwar Vidyalaya. That's why E is subset of P. In this way, we can write here the subset relation between these three sets. D is subset of E. D is subset of P. Then E is subset of P. In this way we can write, or combinedly we can write here D is subset of E, E is subset of P. Now we can represent this by Venn diagram in this way. D is the smallest set among these three sets. That's why I have placed the set D in the inner side, 9th A students who play Kho-Kho, and this I have placed in the set E, the students of class 9th A, and this set E is placed in the biggest set, that is P, and which is the set of students of Sri Mahatma Bashveshwar Vidyalaya. In this way we can represent the subset relation by Venn diagram.